Welcome, my name is Ahmed. Today I am going to share with you information about IQ option. First of all, it is important to understand what kind of a broker IQ option is. IQ option is a broker that offers binary and digital options as well as a CFD type trading on such instruments as stocks, forex, ETFs, and commodities. Each instrument has its own particularities, which we will discuss in more detail. You can start trading on the practice balancing, which is provided for free. It contains 10 of demo money and it can be topped up as many times. The IQ option is $10, while the minimum investment in beer is $1, which makes it is accessible for most traders. Let us take a closer look